guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, an even bigger welcome to you. Today we are going to make a thriftlet. Okay, so my friend very kindly donated me this dress. Now it's a lovely, I think it's cotton, and this is how it looks like. But I really like the embroidery on the bottom, and then it's got like a curve on the side, if you can see that. So it's curved on the side. Anyways, I was thinking of making a ruffle top. So yeah, I'm really not sure how I'm gonna tackle this yet, but we can do it together. It's got some ties here that I can use as the straps. If it's long enough, I'll see how it is, and if it's not, then we'll have to make some new ties from this. I'm not sure if I want to make like drop shoulders for it yet, because if I do drop shoulders, then I want the drop shoulders to have like embroidery on it too as well. I mean, the neck has got embroidery, but I don't know if it's going to be, you know, big enough to go around my arm. This project would hopefully be really simple. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's get sewing. And just before I forget, if you're new here, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. And if you think I should change anything or do something different, the way I tutorial, the way I tutor, and the way I give instructions, if you think it's not clear enough, do comment down below. And if there's something specific that you'd like me to make or you'd like to see, do comment down below. I will try my best to do it in my next video. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. So the first thing I did was lay the dress out and cut the top part off. Next, I align the dress from the bottom and then use a top that I like to place it on top so that I can sort of gauge where I want to cut or where I want my neck to be. I folded the part where I think I want my neckline to fall at, and then cut about an inch away from that line to give way for the casing to encase the straps, which I will show you how I do later. Now I cut 4 short straps about 1 inch width. I cut them long enough so that I could join 2 straps together to make one long strap for the back and one long strap for the front, so that it's long enough to go around my neck and over my shoulder. Next, I folded the straps in from each end and then folded it again in half so that the raw edge would be hidden in the inside. Now before I take this to the sewing machine, I ironed it out so that it would stay in place, because pinning it alone would not help. Next, I pinned the dress from the sides, and then I estimated about 2.5 inches from the bottom of my neckline where I want the armhole to be. So I cut like a moon-shaped armhole, which was about 2.5 inches long and 2.5 inches lengthwise, and also I evened out whichever uneven bits was on my dress here. And then I took the shirt to the overlocker and overlocked all the edges all around. And next, I pinned the side armholes in once, and then I took it to the sewing machine, did a straight stitch around and repeated it for the other side. And after I did the one stitch around, I folded it again on itself and stitched it again. Now when I folded it in the second time, I started doing the stitch from the center of the armhole, just because I wanted the dress to be aligned from the top and bottom and not have like one edge or not have it slip on its side. Once I repeated the same thing on the other side, the next thing that was left to do was to hem the neck on the back and the front, and I pretty much did the same thing, except I only hemmed it once at about 1/4 of an inch, and then the second hem I did was about 1/2 an inch, which was enough for me to put the, or kind of like a string, my straps through. Next, I took the 2 straps that I had to join it in the center. It doesn't really matter that the raw edges will be seen here, because this will be completely hidden in the dress later. And then once I sewed the 2 straps together, I sewed them shut, as I explained before, by folding in the 2 raw edges into the middle and sewing it. And then I used pinking shears to cut off all the edges. And this is where I estimated that I need about a half inch of a casing to string the straps through, and I sewed that on the back and the front neck. Next, I used my loop turner to string the straps through the casing and made knots at each end of the straps, and then I made sure that the straps were at even lengths outside each of the casing, and sewed a small stitch in the center of the neck so that the straps won't move either way. And that's it. That's how simple it was. How does it look, guys? So I overall I'm pretty pleased with how it turned out. It's very flowy, very nice. I love the embroidery detail on the side. You can wear it out, or I could tuck it in. I think it's really nice for the summer that's coming. It's actually spring now, but summer's coming soon and I can't wait. Okay, and that concludes my video for today. Thank you so much, guys, for watching till the end of the video. I'm struggling to find light here, so I hope this does it. And I would love to see you again next week. If you're new to my channel, do hit the subscribe button down below and hit the like button if you did like it. There's a little bell button next to the subscribe button. Hit that too, so that you get notified every time I upload a video, and I will be uploading 1 video a week. I'll see you again next week. Bye.